Welcome to the latest video weather briefing from the National Weather Service in San Diego. This is Alex Tardy, meteorologist. In this presentation, we're going to discuss a strong cold front with rain and snow expected to impact Southern California tonight through Tuesday. This video presentation is about 5 minutes long. Here are some of the impacts we expect with the wet commute on Tuesday, both morning and possibly afternoon. And then the low snow levels. That'll be a high impact, we think. All right, the upper level weather pattern that's driving this cold air is coming directly down from Canada. So the ridge of high pressure that's been dominating most of the winter is shifted to the west, and this is allowing this cold door to open up, and a storm is coming directly down, and it'll move right overhead in extreme southwest California by Tuesday morning, as shown here. All right, more local here. Specific areas, we are expecting precipitation to be locally heavy. First with the cold front that moves through tonight after midnight and then through early Tuesday morning. And then additional showers will be quite widespread across most of the region, and especially in San Diego County, where it'll last all the way into Tuesday evening. So when all's said and done, we look for rainfall totals of about 1 inch to close to 2 inches in our mountain areas, and then we expect to see our valley areas anywhere from a ½ inch to a little bit over an inch. Now snowfall, that'll be the bigger impact. This is a very cold storm. We expect our mountain community locations at 5,000 to 6,000 feet to see anywhere from 6 to 12 inches of snow. It looks like the Running Springs and Big Bear area will see the most, but even the mountains of San Diego County should see significant snowfall up around a foot at 5,500 to 6,000 feet. So also important to note is that the snow is going to get down into the pass level, such as Cajon Pass, where a few inches of snow will fall. We'll even see some wet snowflakes all the way down to 2,000 feet on Tuesday. So please keep that in mind. All right, the cold temperatures that will allow for this snow are shown here. We're going to see cold temperatures down into the teens in our upper elevation communities, down in the 20s across the high deserts and the mountain passes, and even some chilly, cold rain with temperatures tomorrow morning in the upper 30s with showers across the Inland Empire and the San Diego valleys. So this is going to produce some really low snow levels, and that's the big deal with this storm. All right, wind is not a major impact, but we will see some windy conditions, especially ahead of the storm tonight into Tuesday morning. Now, when the storm stalls over us, we'll lose a lot of that wind pretty quickly. But as you can see here, the wind will be impacting our region, our coastal areas, and also our mountain areas, especially ahead of the storm as it swings through. The valley and coastal areas, well, it'll be breezy, but not damaging winds. All right, here are some of the highlights. Strong cold front tonight with widespread rain and snow. Starting around midnight, we'll have some showers before that, but the main bulk of the precipitation after midnight, and thunderstorms even possible after midnight and early Tuesday morning. Snow levels will come down from 4,000 feet and crash to 2,000 feet early Tuesday morning. We're going to see some heavy rainfall rates, especially just after midnight with the cold frontal band, and then the showery precipitation as we go through the day on Tuesday. Possible rock slides and debris flows in some of our steep passes because of these heavy showers. The conditions from the roads will be hazardous because of the snow levels getting down to 2,500 feet. We can see locally a little bit of snow even at 2,000 feet. Heavy snow above 4,000 feet with 6 to 12 inches. It'll be a rather dry snow, and that will add to some of the accumulation, some fluff factor. And a couple inches of snow all the way down to 2,500 feet. The commute in the morning and also in the afternoon will be affected by this rain and snow. With the thunderstorms, especially with the cold front Tuesday morning and then also with the showers on Tuesday, we could see some small hail on the coast and even a waterspout over the ocean. Now, hazard conditions are going to be expected too, at least during the morning hours on Tuesday for small craft over the ocean. All right, what about the outlook? We do look for another storm system. We'll have a break on Wednesday. The computer models indicate that Thursday night, and especially on Friday, another cold front comes in This is a little bit different of a storm. It's larger, broader, and further to the north. So the really cold air stays further north. But nonetheless, a very cold storm across the west with impact from that cold front Thursday night and Friday morning. Now, right now, it's a little uncertain, but some showers could linger all the way into Saturday as this storm is slowed it apart and move across the western United States. And finally, here's a look at the regional precipitation that's expected. Storm number 1 is on the left-hand side. With that storm, many areas receiving a ½ inch to locally up to 1.5 inches of precipitation. A lot of that snow in the mountains. And you can see even the valley locations such as San Diego and southern Orange County doing quite well. Then we have the storm number 1 and 2 added together. So when you add the entire week, as we get another storm late Thursday into Friday, you can see the grand totals in that. Pushes such our mountain areas over 2 inches and our valley areas over 1 inch. Thanks for tuning in. Please check into weather.gov San Diego for the latest on the hazards, such as the warnings and advisories. And be sure to check us out on social media for real-time updates. Thanks for tuning in.